Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have a cold smoker attachment and this happened to you, stay tuned. I'll show you how to fix it. Alright guys, so welcome back again. If you have a cold smoker attachment for your electric smoker, you know exactly what this little thing does. This has a little net that goes on the bottom of it. This is supposed to trap your chips. After a while, as you can see, it's totally gone, and we need to replace this. You can pay Masterbuilt to get a replacement one of these, but I found a quick solution. If you guys can't find it on Masterbuilt or you don't want to pay for the replacement, I bought these disposable grill toppers at Walmart. Right, and the reason I went for these instead of the galvanized chicken wire that somebody had recommended or suggested is because if you do a little bit of research, galvanized chicken wire is toxic. These are meant to be on the grill, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to cut a piece off of this and use it as my net. So let's go ahead and start with the process. So I believe I paid about $4 or $5 for this, and it's actually 3 pieces. So I think it'll be a good investment if it does go ahead and it does outlast the original piece. So the first thing I want to do here is I kind of want to measure how big of a piece I'm going to use, and we're gonna say about right here. Get some wire cutters and cut that piece for now, just to give me an idea of where I'm going to cut. So then I'm going to measure, make sure you guys can see, then I'm going to measure my other intersection, which is right here, cut that off, and then all you have to do now is cut all the pieces that go along. And there you go. So I cut this piece off. And now the next step would be to, and if you notice, it took maybe just about a tenth of the actual cooking grate here. So I'm gonna be able to use this over and over. So even if this only lasts about 4 or 5 cooks, it's not gonna be a very expensive remedy for this. So next thing I want to do is I want to put this upside down. I'm going to lay it over. That's why you want to measure so you can have enough. And the next thing, you just want to bend this over. Let me zoom this in a little bit. You just want to bend this over. I'm actually getting rid of this. I'm not going to use this anymore because it's obsolete. I don't need it. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to bend this over. And there you go. You got a nice new piece of netting that will catch your that will actually catch your chips when you bring them in, and that is a whole lot better than what I have here. So there you go. That's how you, kind of like a little smoking tip or smoking hack on how to actually put a little net underneath here so you can actually put your chips. All right. This has been the Smoking Beard. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Please look at my other videos, like and subscribe, and keep up to date with the latest and greatest. But once again,